should they just try? Or
Yes, Nick, and that's so much what my teaching is the last 10 years or so, is just do it. Most students who contact me, they want something special. They want to meet the guru, they want to meet the master, they want special symbols. And I try to emphasize that you don't even need me. You need to realize you already have the energy. So what I'll say in the book is, if I'm going to sit here for 5 minutes with a simple thought in my mind, I'm the kind of person who does take 5 minutes to take care of himself. It doesn't make a very interesting video, but in terms of energy, just that simple notion, I'm the kind of person who takes care of himself. And that's not for the audience, that's for me when I'm upset. I'll sit down and my neighbor this and my mechanic that, and Tom, take the time. I know. Take the time to take care of yourself. And that simple act. The same as if you're a tennis player, Nick, you go out, you play tennis once a week, or you go jogging once a week, you make, fresh salad for dinner every night. You take the time. You don't call up and order some junk food, deep fried stuff, greasy foods. Chop up a salad, you put on some of your own cheese, you make plant-based cheese, it's just tasty, you make a homemade dressing. You're the kind of guy who takes the time to make fresh salad. So of course you're healthier than the person who says, yeah, I want some hot dogs and hamburgers and a pizza, which is all, very toxic, poisonous, unhealthy foods. When you take the time to make healthy food, you get healthier. Similarly, when you take the time to put your hands, this is called the solar plexus at your belly here, I'm taking 5 minutes to just nurture myself, to care about myself. Mm-hmm. And I should add here, each level of the body relates, or it correlates to each level of our mind, right? So we have our base, our family foundation, and our emotions and self-esteem and relationships, communications, etc. Mm-hmm. So when you read through the book, you realize, okay, well, this is about self-confidence, self-esteem. So if I have some job to do where I think, oh my God, I'm not very good at this, take 5 minutes. And you could say, okay, give yourself a pep talk and say, Tom, you've done this so many times. Or just put your hands there and say, let my own energy guide me to do it. I'm practiced. I'm going to do my best. Is it possible to do more than my best? That would be irrational. So just take the time.